himself in it. Look at him.
Oh, sorry guys.
Aww.
Tristan, you're missing this.
You guys watch my back real quick, guys.
Really pony.
Watch my back for 1 second.
Oh, damn. Pull his whole body through.
What is he doing?
That's catnip he's got.
Is he high on it?
No, it's driving nuts.
Is he doing pot?
Did you go sideways?
Tristan,
That was
I'm
awesome.
recording it. Stop
I don't
it.
even know where I put it. It's like spread
It's under
all
him.
over the rug now. No, he has it all over the rug.
Are you guys hear me?
Put more down.
No, I think that's enough.
No,
Yeah, I think
it's
just a little bit.
Yo, I think our head's high.
not. Tristan, stop it. I'm recording.
Isn't that cute?
We should make him run. Or if he goes flat into a wall.
Look at him go.
No, we're not buying it. We have a mystery
Trying to
box.
rub it right into his skin. And
Yeah.
it's like, wow.
Alright, so. Dude, let's stay up here. Come on, we're
Tony,
doing
get
good.
down there. Get some
She's
extreme
videoing.
close-ups.
She's videoing.
Yeah.
She's doing the videotape.
Yeah, that's roly-poly. Wow, you see the one-handed pull-up? That was sweet.
He had it smeared all over the rug. It's all over here.
Quick, Mom. I'll buy the door.
Do you like that, Diablo?
He's like, I'll never pee again. Just keep doing this.
Guys, I've locked it downstairs. Well, nothing downstairs.
Aw.
We're taking care of some zombies. Alright,
Have you
come
seen the little tiny pinch I put down there? Do you like that, huh?
Look how happy he is. He's still going.
Yo, little Jay, buy the door.
Let's go.
I got the beans on.
Alright, guys. Look, yeah, buy it. Buy it.
Hi. Oh my God, this cat cannot get any closer to this catnip. He is literally burying his face into the rug, and he's doing roly-poly like you wouldn't believe, and he's like just laying, he's flipping around in it and just,
Trying to like rub it into
Wheeler,
his skin.
Wheeler, you buy it. Wheeler, you buy it.
yeah, that's what he's doing. He's
Movie
trying to
bite.
bury it into his skin.
Oh, I found a mystery
That's
box.
what Tony asked. She goes, well, do they eat it or what? I'm like, I don't know. I think she said one of her cats ate it.